everybody, today I'm going to make a Lego ice cream truck. First we'll use this square 16 flat piece. Then we will use this one in the middle. Then these two. Then put this one here. Then these two here. And this one here. Now we'll make that ice cream shape like this. So round and smooth. Now we could put it here. See? Now the ice cream flavors. Chocolate, banana, raspberry, and grapes. Then you put these two next to each other. Then this one here. And then put this one up in the top like this. And like those zigzag colors there. White, red, white, red, white, red. And two more of these cones. 1, 2. And then put these two right here. 1 and 2. Now the wheels. This is one wheel connect to the wheel connector right bottom over here, and the other on the other side. And this is how you make a Lego ice cream truck. Look, this is the ice cream truck I made. Now I'm going to make a big popsicle, a Lego popsicle. First we'll make the stick. 1, 2, 3. And the first flavor is chocolate. Then the next flavor is raspberry. And the next one is blueberry. And the next one is grape. And the next one is strawberry. And the last flavor is vanilla. And this is the perfect popsicle. See? Do you like this ice cream? It has 6 flavors. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.